Let W be equal to 1 minus I over 2 root 2. We want to express W in r cis theta form. Okay, so let's think about 1 minus I. That goes 1 across and 1 down, which means the modulus is root 2, and the angle here is pi by 4 because this is an isosceles triangle. So it's root 2 cis negative pi by 4 because we rotated downwards. So W is going to be root 2 cis negative pi by 4 over 2 root 2. So we can cancel those root 2's and we get a half cis negative pi by 4. The complex number z is represented in the argon diagram below. Now I think each one of these rays is 15 degrees, so that's pi by 12 radians. So z on that basis is going to be 4 cis 2 pi by 3. Now we're asked to express z exactly in the form a plus ib. So now that I've got it in polar form, I can say, well, that's 4 cos 2 pi by 3 plus 4i sine 2 pi by 3. And the cosine of 2 pi by 3 is negative a half, so we've got negative 2. Sine of 2 pi by 3 is root 3 on 2, so that's going to be plus 2i root 3. Determine the exact polar form for wz and w squared z. I'm just going to work in the space up here so that everything's inside. So we want wz, which is going to be half cis negative pi by 4 multiplied by 4 cis 2 pi by 3. So that's going to be 2 cis 2 pi by 3 take away pi by 4. So what we've got there is 8 pi by 12 take away 3 pi by 12, which is 5 pi by 12. So we've got 2 cis 5 pi by 12. And then w squared z just means that we're going to do a half cis negative pi by 4 times 2 cis 5 pi by 12. So that's going to be half times 2 is just 1, so it's just going to be cis. And then we've got 5 pi by 12, take away 3 pi by 12, which is 2 pi by 12, which is pi by 6. Okay, and then the next part is to put them onto the argon diagram. So we said every single one of these rays was a pi by 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's WZ. And then pi by 6 is 2 of those. So 1, 2. And that would be W squared Z. We've got it on the one circle. Consider the geometric transformation applied to transform z to w squared z, w cubed, and so on. Describe the geometric transformations performed by the successive multiplication by w. Well, the modulus is reduced the scale factor a half, because we multiply by a half each time. And then we have a rotation of pi by 4 radians clockwise.